Muhluri Hlatshwayo ke motshameki wa bolotlo mo nageng ya Afrika Borwa. Re perele Muhluri ra go amogela mo Ga-Rankuwa FM.
Njani?
No ke siame khaitsere aka o siame wena?
I'm good.
Yeah, re itumela go bua le wena mo letsatsi la gompieno mo stationeng sa Ga-Rankuwa. Muhluri Hlatshwayo ke mang mo tsana o tswang ko province ya Limpopo?
So Nomaka Palamlele Township. It's next to Guyana.
O tswa ko section A?
Yes.
Section A ko go letseng ko teng Muhluri ko karolong ya Malamulele o godile o le ngwana o ntseng jang re fele the family structure ko gae gore o godile le mang?
I grew up with I had both my parents, and my siblings as well. Yeah.
And then the love for sports is started ko kae? Did you start ka netball or you started ka maybe football or athletics?
I actually started with basketball in high school. Some guy discovered me then in high school just because I was tall. That's when I started playing basketball. And then after, we moved to netball.
Hey, bana. Are you guys friends?
We're not friends.
Because Dumisani Chauke o startile ka plena na tshameka basketball and then a transition a ya ko netball. So the person who discovered leng gore ai man itla ka mo netball kana wa re ke mang?
The former president Cecilia Mulukwana from Pompo.
Oh yeah. And the players tsene o tshameka le tsona firstly ha no starta ko Malamulele in terms of netball, are you still in contact with those with those players?
I actually didn't train a lot of netball in Malamulele. I started properly training when I was still in University of Johannesburg.
Oh, and then you mentioned President Cecilia Molokwane or wow discovering. What is it that she saw in you when you were playing basketball?
So with basketball, it's similar to netball. So I think that's what she discovered as well. Also the fact that I'm tall, it also contributed a lot to her recruiting me to netball. Yeah,
because I remember in 2021, you once sent the president a DM thanking her for buying you the I think it was the sneakers out Lala netball. What sort of influence would you say Madam President Cecilia Molokwane had in your career?
Oh, she really had a big influence. Because I got my first netball shoes from her. I think it was in 2018. Yes, when I played Spy Champs in 2018 for netball. And mind you, I didn't know anything about netball that time. She just recruited me to go play for a team. And I actually went to play for a team. And I made under 21 squad that year for South Africa. And then she bought me netball shoes. So it means a lot, mostly for a black child. When you come from like a township, you don't have like the resources yet to buy yourself like netball shoes. Because black parents don't really understand anything about sports. When it comes to, they have to like fund you and everything like that.
No, ka nnete khaitsiri aka mo ntlhenye o bua nnete mme fela ke batla re boela gape ko morago o buile ka fa re ne re simolla puisana o buile gore o ne o le ka go setlhopheng sa UJ ditafola di fetogile ya nong o tlile mo tshwane what influenced the decision ya go tswa ko UJ o tlo tsena sekolo mo TUT?
So I finished what I was doing at UJ. And then I came to Tshwane to start a new degree. I wanted to be an educator for such a long time to study teaching, but I didn't know where to start. So I also like figured, also a new environment helps sometimes. So that's when I decided to move from UJ to TUT.
So Coach Emily Matusa has nothing to do Luena moving from UJ coming to Tshwane, na?
She does.
What is the type of what sort of relationship do you have le Coach Emily?
Oh, we have a good relationship with Coach Emily because I played for a team when she came to for Limpopo Bob-Ups in 2022, and I was playing for Bob-Ups already. And like we've been champions together. We went through a lot together because she has a team, Telkom Netball League, which is Limpopo Bob-Ups. So I played for a team from 2021 until now.
Yeah. Me ke batla re boele ko re boele go yone the Telkom Netball League. Ke batla go tlhaloganya between yone le varsity netball kana varsity cup netball. Ke efeng e o reng Muhluri wa I prefer between the two?
Oh, they're both nice because they're both competitive because you get to play with top players. So it's hard to choose. I would really choose both. Telkom Netball League is nice because you get paid, but I would prefer varsity netball.
Your most memorable game ya varsity netball, do you have it in mind?
Oh yes.
Tell us more.
2024 when I was playing for UJ when we played finals. Also 2023. 2023 was our first finals, so that's really memorable for me.
Memorable? Why was it memorable? Because both finals, Muhluri, you guys lost.
Yes, both finals we lost, but also it took time for us to play like finals. Because when we went to UJ, Coach Wangi changed the whole team, and she was playing with first years when we went there. The fact that 2021, 2022, she was improving, and 2024, her team made finals. That's really big for a coach.
Yeah. Now, when nete khaitsere ka bua ka di final tseo le nna my memorable game ya gago in le final ya Taxi le UJ ene le tshameka ko Rembrandt Hall ka 2023. You lost the final. Ke a gopola there was a time gore ke mo ke boneng gore Muhluri Hlatshwayo it's one of the best goal shooters we have in the country. You guys, le Taxi, you went for a draw. I think at the last quarter it was 60-60 until eventually they won the game. But Kimole Naki Bonongore, we have a player in Muhluri Hlatshwayo. So, but the support go high in Siang, the parents, o tlhalositse gore ditlhako o di reketse ke Madam President Cecilia, the former Netball South Africa president. But Hanso utswela pele, did your parents now realize or this thing ya sports sa netball Muhluri una le potential mo teng?
Yes, they did because my parents are really supportive, both my mom and dad. Because I remember when I was playing basketball, we would go for provincial leagues and we'll come back around 12 a.m. My dad would wait at the garage from 9 p.m. until 12. So their support is, I can see it. And with regards to the shoes, I did have shoes, but I just didn't have netball shoes at the time because I was still playing basketball. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Wow. Ke na lo ena khaitsiri ya ka. Me fela ha re bua ka ke batla re boele go setlhopheng sa gago sa Limpopo Bob-Ups, the 2023 TNL champions ya Division 2 le fentse setlhopha se le sa Tornadoes. You were the player of the tournament ke a gopola. Me fela describe coach Emily Matusa le Coach Bongi Musomi, because there are two different coaches ba o berekileng le bona at different levels. O mongwe o berekile le na ko varsity, o mongwe o berekile le na mo TNL.
Oh yes, I think they both contributed so much to my career, my netball career. I wouldn't have been where I am if it wasn't because of Coach Emily and Coach Bongi. At different levels, and when you're playing in that level, I was training a lot with Coach Bongi because we're in varsity. So with TN, it was like a period of time. So they had to play a major role for me to be where I am right now. So I only have them to thank.
But are you happy with the way your career has turned out so far?
I'm really happy because I started training Netball 2021. The fact that now I can even play professional, also like outside, everything happened so quick. That's why I also like say I have both coaches to thank.
Yeah. Playing outside the country, we are talking about Muhluri. Last year, I remember you played for a team in Malaysia, the Dynamites, the Putrajaya Dynamites, in the Samega Mo the Super League. How did the move to Malaysia come about?
They saw me. I think they saw me on YouTube because they stream our videos on YouTube after we're done playing. So, like it really helps when it comes to you being recruited outside because people have to watch you play to know how you play for them to recruit you.
And I think you went the same year, Andre Kanameya.
Yes, she won before me, and then she won again last year.
Yeah, and you also played the final last year, even though you lost at the finals. But overall, the standard netball ko Malaysia. How is the standard of netball compared to what we have in the country?
Malaysian netball is also so good because when they're recruiting like international players, each team recruits a goalkeeper and goal shooter, which is from different countries. The goalkeeper can go from Uganda, Australia, like any part of the world. So the competition is really hard. It's not as easy.
And then the bank account, is it healthy?
Oh, the bank account is healthy. It's not healthy compared to when you're playing at home.
No, that's good news. I'm happy. I could out the bank account is healthy. I'm happy. Next month,
very healthy.
Yeah, next month you are going back again to Malaysia, but this time around you'll be playing for the Pahang Tulips. I engaged the team manager today. Actually, during the week I was speaking to them. They told me about the type of player you. I think you'll also be joining Fatima Dino from Botswana. I just want to I just want to find out, did they bona baba the Tulips ba bone ha no tshamekela your previous team, or how did they move this? How does this move now come about? No the Tulips.
So Dynamite won't be part of the league this year. So that's why I changed teams. So they both got me and Fatima to Tulips because we were both playing for Dynamite last year.
Okay. Have you because last season le Fatima. Are you guys in contact you and Fatima?
We're friends.
Okay. No, great stuff. Botswana and South Africa, we are one thing. And then this time around, going back to Malaysia, what are your expectations?
Oh, to win finals for once. I really need that final medal. Silver is nice, but gold the best.
Yeah. 2024, Muhluri, you went to a camp. You were invited to a camp Stellenbosch NSA for the players that were supposed to end the contract le NSA. Unfortunately, you were not selected on the players who were in the contract recently. Who was doing the assessment then 2024? Because I think we didn't have a coach then.
I think both coaches. I think coaches were there. Coach Osha was there. Also, Coach Jenny was there. They were just not appointed at the time. Yes.
But did they explain as to why you were not shortlisted on more the players who were filling the contract?
I think I also still need more training as well. Because like I mentioned, there's also players who have been playing for years who have more experience. So when you start start playing in that level as well, you also need like the experience. Matters a lot as well.
Okay. How old are you now, Muhluri?
25.
You're 25 now.
Yes.
Obviously, as a player, as a South African, you also have the aspirations of wearing the green and gold and representing your country. Have you had conversations, even though maybe informal, with the current technical team here, the Spa Proteas?
Yes, because I do train with them as a training partner. I think that's also a big step to me making it there one day.
Yeah, because the Commonwealth the Commonwealth Games are coming in July. Would you love to crack it on the team travel to Sydney?
I would love to. I'm sure South African netball player wants to be there.
Yeah, no, definitely. I think you should be considered. But what are you looking for? Oh, yeah, you did say Hore Obata win at the finals. But apart from winning the finals, what also are you looking forward to going back to Malaysia?
Also, like perfecting my game. Because having game time there is also the best thing that can happen to a player. The fact that you can play against international players, each and every like game that you play, because it's different from a different country. And also I'm looking forward to the food as well. Oh, they have good food that side.
Okay. All right. Okay. No. Okay. Tumela. But then, halena language barrier Muhluri la khona go utlwana?
Yeah, they do try to speak English. I try to like understand their language as well, because it's good when you go to another country, learn something.
Ka nnete khaitsedi aka ya bua nnete ke na le molaetso mongwe ke tlo romella ona ka WhatsApp re o fitlhetse go tswa ko the team manager ba re tlhalosetsa gore what is it the reason behind ba o signile go setlhopheng so sa Tulips ga ke itse ha re tswa la khaitsedi aka a message to your fellow teammates from South Africa and then those that will be joining ko Malaysia. What can you say to them?
I really can't wait to meet my youth in Malaysia. I honestly can't wait. Going to a new team is a new environment. It's a different ball game. It's not the same as last year. And I also have my goals for this year I need to achieve. And also I know there's also the team goals. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Excited to start the season.
Yeah. No, we wish you all the best. Next month, eh?
Yes, I'm leaving on the 8th.
Oh yeah, no. Ora ba ibele sentle ba mpoleletse gore no ba o expecta ka the second week ya April. All the best, Muhluri. Re tla bo re lebeletse khaitsedi aka re lebeletse le metshameko a gago, and my wish is to see you more the green and gold colors the Spa Proteas representing us go the Commonwealth Games or even the 2027 World Cup.
I can, for sure.
You can see no ra leboga Muhluri o ne re buisana le ena o ke Muhluri Hlatshwayo ke motshameki o montšha wa setlhopha sa Pahang Tulips se se leng ka konageng eo ya Malaysia. Ne ke bua le ba setlhopha so sa ka ko Malaysia se leng gore o tla ba golagana le sona semmuso, mme ke buile le motsamaisi wa bona ke Mastura Bindi Abdul Mubin o e leng gore o tlhalosele ba ka legolo gore ba kwa disemosana re tsafa.
Tulips are pleased to announce the selection of South African import player Muhluri for the NSL 2026 season. His inclusion is expected to strengthen the squad with his experience, skill and competitive edge. Muhluri is a player with great potential and the right mindset. We believe he will integrate well into the team and play an important role in the campaign this season. We believe Muhluri's presence will bring added value to the team as we aim to perform strongly in NSL 2026. The club looks forward to through his contribution both on and off the field.
Ya ke molaetsa one ke bua ka ona o tswa jalo ka ko Mastura Bindi Abdul Mubin o ile gore ke ene motsabaisi wa setlhopha seo sa Pahang Tulips se ile gore mosanano wa ga Muhluri o tlabe a ikgolagana le sona mo kgweding e tlang ile kgwedi ya Moranang.